Today is a super exciting video. I've been wanting to do this so long. As you can tell by the title, I'm gonna try to turn my sister into me. It's kind of creepy, so you guys definitely want to stay till the end to see what we look like next to each other. So basically, I'm doing her makeup and also her hair and outfit to look like me. Just gonna make her look as close to me as possible. If you're new, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload a video. Also, big shout out to Tarte because they're actually sending me and her to Hawaii. We're going tomorrow, but we'll probably be there by the time you're watching this. I'm gonna be vlogging the whole trip, so if you guys want to see what we're doing in Hawaii, then make sure to subscribe to the vlog channel down below. I'm so excited, it's gonna be so much fun. Perfect timing, my sister can come here and film this video with me. So if you want to see what she looks like and how close I can get her to look like me, then keep on watching. Okay, time to turn you into me. I'm scared, I don't really know what I'm doing because I'm not like a makeup artist. We're gonna answer questions while we do the makeup. You guys tweeted me questions, so make sure you're following me on Twitter. So I'm gonna prime your face. I always use like a poreless primer. You think you have big pores, but I have huge pores, so I try to fix that.
I have big pores,
minimize,
especially like on my nose and then right here.
Yeah, that's like me. I washed my hands. I did your makeup once before for her wedding. Twice before because we did a tester.
Oh yeah, and it was really good.
It was like onions. We just ate In-N-Out. Going in with Fenty foundation.
How far apart in age are you guys? Are you best friends or enemies?
We are 5 years apart.
I'm the old one. And we're not enemies.
We're closer than we used to be.
We became
we're not
a lot
enemies.
closer in the last couple years.
That's the thing I hate about In-N-Out is you smell it for so long after you eat it.
I'm not a potato anymore.
Woo! Foundation done. Next I'm going in with Tarte Shape Tape, my fave. It's Bay. This is the color Light Neutral. We're using the exact same colors and everything because I tan myself.
Now.
This is her naturally though. Like she's the tan sister. Put it under her eyes and like everywhere you highlight.
What was my first impression on Alex when Sierra started dating him? That he was a gentleman.
You don't have to be nice.
And
say your honest
that he was
answer.
like super, super, super nice to the fam.
When did you meet him?
Before last Christmas.
Like when we went to Disneyland?
Mm-hmm. He treated you really well.
Well, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
What about now?
Now the same.
We need
He's
some
great.
tea. We need to spill the tea. I mean,
Enough
that's
time.
good. That's good.
All good things.
Good job, Al.
As long as he treats you good and you're happy, that's all I care about.
Amen. Blending her out. Going in with a setting powder.
What do you guys dislike about each other? That you're unorganized and she's really bad at calling people. And
okay, I have mine. You call people too much. You call people every day. And I feel like it's excessive. It makes me look bad because I don't like talking on the phone. Everyone complains, Sierra doesn't call.
I don't call
like
for months.
calling on the phone. She's exposing me. You're a phone person and you're a talker. I'm like really quiet. I'm the quiet sister. She's the talkative one.
Well, it would just be nice if you would keep in touch a little bit.
Okay, stop throwing the shade. Throwing so much shade.
No shade, no shade. It's true.
Just facts.
You know
no
it's
shade,
true.
no tea, just facts. It is true.
Everyone knows it now.
It's
old news now.
Okay, powder's done. Oh, she looking?
Not like a potato anymore. Next question is, who got in more trouble growing up? I did.
Yeah. She was the bad
I'll
kid.
own it. I wasn't even bad. I was just adventurous.
Compared to other kids, no, but you were like
no, I wasn't bad.
Always grounded when
yeah,
you were a teenager.
but I'm the oldest, so I got grounded because my mom and stepdad and dad were extra strict and hard on me because I was older. But
I never pulled the stuff either, so you snuck out.
Yeah, I snuck out. Well, I only snuck out because I wasn't allowed to do anything.
Our mom was strict.
She was extra strict.
Well, I wasn't personally allowed in high school to like go to parties without like her talking to the parents, so I like
which was
didn't
super
end up
lame.
going.
So
yeah, so I just didn't go, and I was like,
but on the other hand,
awkward. So thanks, Mom.
I was the one that was like, okay, that's okay if I can't go. I'll just go to bed and then I would sneak out.
Yeah. So I'm going in with brows, but you have thinner eyebrows than me, so I have to make them look like
more poppin'.
So I don't know what to do because she has what is it called? Microblading.
Because I overplucked as a teenager, so don't do that.
Yeah, don't do that. See, like, we probably would have had the same thickness of brows.
Probably.
Because, like, mine are thick, you can tell. Yours are probably supposed to, like, be thick.
But I don't got none anymore.
They won't grow anymore. I'm gonna try to do it off camera. Okay, they're like a little thicker, but I didn't want to like do too much because then it would just look weird. I feel like you do kind of look more like me. Does it look like it looks good? I'm scared. Like, does it look stupid? And I'm using the Tarte Park Ave Princess Chisel palette. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is Angle. And I'm gonna contour and bronze up her face.
I don't even know how to contour. So
do you not contour?
No, I've never done it. I'm basic. It says was, so was it difficult to live apart from each other? Well, I guess we could say both.
Backstory, we kind of didn't live together when we were younger because she lived more at my dad's and I lived more at my mom's.
Well, we were together sometimes, but just not all the time, like not on an everyday basis.
Because we're like 5 years apart, so it's
hard enough as it is. Like anyone who has a sibling who's 5 years apart knows that, well, for the most part.
That's a lot.
That's a lot, yeah.
Like I felt like I was close to Corbin because we were the same age.
Yeah, and when you're that far apart in age, you don't have much in common when you're growing up. It's not until you're adults that you start to appreciate each other and maybe have like more in common in life and everything, so.
Just getting deep.
Who's the messier one? This is my favorite question.
I am. I always
am a clean freak.
Yeah, she really is. You're like Monica from Friends.
Yeah.
I'm like Rachel, but I have a little Monica in me.
I'm Miss Martha.
Now.
I love blush, it's my favorite.
It makes you look younger. I'm using Tarte Amazonian Clay in Expose.
Who has the best fashion sense? I think that's a given. Sierra. Sierra is the trendy one, and I'm more plain. I just like to wear, I like to be basic. No.
You're basic.
No. Kind of, like I'm just plain with what I wear, and I don't know, I'm not very trendy. I just like plain.
She's from a small town. She's simple.
How many siblings do we have? We
are 4 in total. 2 other ones that are step siblings.
Stepsister Corbin and a stepbrother, Stefan, who's my age.
Yeah. Next, highlighting the face with a Fenty highlighter.
Do people tell you that you look alike? Yes.
Yeah. I feel like more recently.
Yeah.
Not ever before. Like
no.
In the past few years.
Which sister is more like mom?
I don't know. I don't think we agree on this.
I think we're both like her in certain ways. Like
you would say you are more like her.
People say, not just I say. People say I'm a lot like my mom. Like
when you first meet us. But I have her deep down in me when you get to know me.
We both have both parents in us.
I'm more like my dad, I'd say. A lot of people would say, and she's more like our mom because I'm more quiet, reserved.
I'm like more opinionated and
loud.
A little bit louder.
You can carry a conversation. You like to talk to people. I'm more like to myself, and I feel like dad's like that too. But when you get to know me, I can be bossy too. So.
Yeah, we get the bossiness runs in the family, I think. What would you do if you found out that your sister was pregnant? I would be surprised.
Just kidding.
Yeah, I'd be happy because I love babies, but I would be really surprised.
No, I would not be surprised because you are like married and you probably would have a kid soon anyway. So now we're going in with the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use these 3 down here in the Tartelette in Bloom palette.
There's a question here. What was the last text you sent each other?
Everyone in Hawaii got that threat on their phone. Not a threat, but the emergency thing on their phone.
Yeah, it was a big warning, but it ended up not being real. I texted her when I was on the plane, and I was like,
there's a Target in Hawaii, and I was like, no, it's fake. And then she was actually talking about like the store Target.
I was like, no, it's real. There's even a Costco. Like, there's a Target. It's real. And she was like, no, it's a mistake. And I was like, what's happening? Like, why are you saying it's fake? I found the address and everything. And then I figured out what she was talking about. And I was like, man, I was talking about the store.
That's great. I'm gonna take this one all over the lid, this one in the outer corner crease, and this one in the inner corner.
Did you both face an insecurity period in your high school years?
Yes. I feel like everyone does.
Yeah.
What was yours?
Just like who would be friends with me, and I changed schools a lot, so it was hard having bad skin in like early high school.
I was insecure about my hairiness.
You're not hairy.
I was hairy. Well, I got that laser. I was really hairy. I got the mustache. I had the unibrow, and boys would make fun of me, and like it made me so insecure. So got that laser away real quick.
Favorite childhood funny memory?
What?
I remember when we were little, and I loved taking pictures when I was little, so anytime the camera came out, like no matter who was taking a picture, it was a family photo, Sierra would just run away.
I hated taking photos.
As soon as the camera came out, no matter where we were, Sierra ran. And I mean ran. And we would just like beg her and bribe her to take pictures with us.
They would try to sneak it. They try to be sneaky and force me, but I don't know why. I think it was just like I was embarrassed or like Maybe I just wasn't confident or something.
I don't know why.
I was embarrassed. I didn't like attention on me, so like a photo is like attention on you. You used to put like concerts on for me, like with your friends. And I was like young, so I was just like, I loved it. Spice Girls, and I would just watch your concerts. Do you like how I do YouTube, or do you think it's annoying?
I like it. I'm so proud of you, and
Aww.
I'm gonna admit, when you first started doing it, I didn't understand it at all, and I had like no idea about YouTube. So I was like, what are you doing? Like,
Ruining your life, go to school.
Well, because you decided not to go to school, or you
Yeah.
stopped going to school, and I was like, oh my god, what are you doing? And I didn't understand it at all, and I was just like worried about you. Like I was worried for your future, right?
Mm-hmm.
But then as things moved along and I learned more and more about it, it made sense, and now that I totally
proud.
understand it, I'm proud.
What did you guys fight about, or did you fight a lot? The answer is yes.
Yeah, we used to
We
fight
did.
a lot.
We went in each other's room and would steal each other's stuff all the time without asking. I always used to get mad and like annoyed at her because she always acted like my mom, because she's the older sister and she's 5 years older, so it's a lot. And so one time, this is a vivid fight in my head. I was like probably 11 or 10. You told me to wipe up something like on the counter or like the
Yeah,
table in
because
the
she was
kitchen.
the messy one.
Yeah, and you were the clean one. And you got mad at
She
me
made
and you're like,
messes and
clean
never
it up, Sierra. Like, you're gross, clean it up. She like threw the towel at me. And like, I was like so annoyed. I was like, you're not my mom. Like, stop. You're so weird. Like, why are you telling me to clean this up? Like, you're so annoying. And we literally would like rip each other. Like that fight, we were like physically fighting, like ripping each other's hair. And Corbin, our stepsister, was just like, she's like,
neutral.
stop, guys, stop. This is Tarte in the color Goals. It's just a pink lip gloss. We're ready. Wait, don't get me. Okay, should you just come in now? Okay, come in. Sit next to me. It's creepy because we're in the same outfit. Okay, obviously my hair is lighter. What's different? It's just like mine's longer.
Different shaped eyes.
Yeah, mine are almond. Yours are more round.
You guys are twinning. Just blue and green eyes. Hair looks the same. Definitely you can tell your sisters. You guys look alike, I think.
Well, that's it. I hope you guys liked this video.
We better go pack for a trip.
We're gonna go and I will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.